Hi guys, welcome back to Algo Plus. Today I'm David Young here. Today I'm going to share with you one of the indicators that widely used in the market. What does it mean? If it's widely used, which means that the accuracy must be really very high. And how can we make profit? I'm going to share with you. But remember, click the like button and subscribe button so that it supports me more, so that I can share with you more strategies that are going to solve your trading problems. Let's come. First of all, what indicator is it? I'm using AI017 Algo Plus. And this strategy I already make it into a strategy so that I can play around with it. But before that, what indicator I'm using it? First thing first, we come to indicator, we type Alphatrend with a 17,250 user, which is really high for one indicator. Okay, next, I'm using Swingarm ATR trend indicator. Okay, what is this Swingarm ATR trend indicator? This is for you to find trend. If it's a right trend, only go to entry. Okay, first thing, we need to change the parameter first. For the alpha trend, we need to change it to 0.2 and 10 in common period. For the style, we just remain it. Next, we are referring about swing arms ATR trend indicator. For the parameter, we remain the same, but for the style, right, we remove all the color here except the plot backgrounds. Okay, remain the plot backgrounds. Right now, when we refer on these strategies, right, we are using a scalping method. So we go to 5-minute charts. First, how do we start making trades? You need to wait for two conditions. Number one, when you see there's a sell button, when the sell signal tells you about you need to short, you need to wait for a second confirmation. A second confirmation, which means that the candle itself must be inside the red color wave. If you want to go for short, you want to go for sell, you need to know that you must be inside the red color wave. If it's outside the red color wave, you don't make these decisions, you don't short. So there is two conditions. First of all, here, there is a sample for me. There is a red candle here indicates sell. At the same time, it's inside the red color wave. So I go for a short. At the same time, where is my stop loss? My stop loss is at the top of the wave. Can you see that? As usual, 1-to-1 ratio, 50% take profit, the balance let the profit fly. You know what I always believe is about a small stop loss is for you to find a big profit. So I always will let my profit fly. That's where my real profit comes from. When it comes to long signal, here is another sample. There's a buy indicate signal here. At the same time, the candle must be inside the green wave. Then where is my stop loss? My stop loss is at the bottom of the green wave here. As usual, 50%. Take 1-to-1 profit first. The balance, let the profit fly. This strategy, I also turn it into a real strategy tester. It named as AI017. How do I going to add this AI017? Go to my description here. You can see there's a link there. Click the indicator link. And here you will see my Algo Plus AI017. Then afterwards, remember, click this add into your favorite indicator. Once you add into your favorite indicator, once it's done already, then you go back to your chart. You click on these indicators. You type Algo Plus AI017. Then when you click it here, you straight away, you can see the strategy tester start to. But this sample I'm using is a 20 minutes Bitcoin charts. Okay, 62%, which is quite okay with the probability of 60%. And the drawdown is only 7%. And most important, these strategies already deducted the transaction fees and without leverage yet, which is quite reasonable and the return is quite good. Why am I showing you these strategies? Remember, when you add this strategy into your indicator, right, it really depends on what TradingView account you're using. If it's a premium account, you can see 7 months result. But if it's a basic account or maybe it's a Pro Plus account, the time frame is shortened up. Where you can see the date, you click on the properties, right? This is the ranging date you can see. Okay. Then afterwards, you can play around with the parameter because every single strategies, right, it suits different charts and also different coins. When you try to play around with this indicator by using Ethereum USDT, okay, it works a little bit, but still making profit, but not really a lot. Maybe you can go for a Dogecoin, whether it's workable or not. Okay, you can see all this. Then you can try to play around with a different parameter. Let's say go to input, you change it to 1.5, whether it is workable. If it's workable, find the right strategies you want and start making trade and create your own strategy. Today, I'm only give you a default one, but try your best to find the best one that's suitable to you, because I believe that if it's one strategy, everyone knows it, you can make profit. If it's only you know it alone, you can make a great profits. This is where the video ends. Thank you so much here today.